Hello everyone, this is Eric D. Sharp, and in this video we're going to have a look at the Canon 85mm f1.8. Now, how are we going to get a Canon lens onto a Sony a6000? Stay tuned. Let's take a look. So here's the Canon 85mm f1.8. Got a limited warranty card. You have instructions. It's a nice lens. Whoa! Look at that. Now that is a huge element. Wow, look at that. That is, wow. This has a window here. Not sure if it's seeable, but this a window there that shows you the focus. On the side here you have autofocus or manual focus switch. So you can switch to the manual and then you can manual focus. Switch back to autofocus. So how am I going to get this onto a Sony a6000? Enter Carmelite. So what this will do is attach this onto this. So just another look at the Carmelite. So you have two parts of this. You have the one side, which is the Canon side. You can see what the sensors look like there. And then you have the E-mount there. So let's attach red dot there, red dot there. Go on. There you go. And then we'll mount it onto the Sony. And there you go. This is what it looks like mounted on the Sony. It's fairly big on it. It is a little bit front heavy because of this, but this is a big lens. Now obviously I'm in the dark right now, so it's going to be take a little longer to autofocus, but this will autofocus. Watch this. Takes a few seconds. It's a little longer than, now granted I'm indoors, it's a little longer than a Sony native lens would be, but you don't have to manual focus with this. This will be amazing.